Hi guys, welcome back. For today's lesson, we are going to be talking about. Ayo coba, kira-kira hari ini kita akan belajar apa ya? Today we're going to be talking about ways to reply how are you. Jadi kan sering kali nih orang tuh bingung gimana ya caranya bilang atau caranya menjawab how are you, tapi nggak sekedar aku baik-baik aja gitu. Sering kali kita cuma mendengar I'm fine thank you, karena ya cuma itu doang yang kita pelajari, yang diajarkan ke kita itu cuma I'm fine thank you. Tapi kalau kalian tahu, banyak sekali cara untuk menjawab pertanyaan how are you. So we're going to get into the details and we're going to learn ways to answer the question how are you. Now, kalau misalnya nih kalian ditanya gimana kabarmu, when you are being asked how are you by strangers or people that you don't really know very well, you wouldn't say much details, ya kan? Kalian tuh nggak bakalan jawab banyak-banyak kalau misalnya yang tanya tuh orang yang nggak begitu kenal sama kalian gitu. You wouldn't answer very detailed because you don't really know them very well. So nanti aku akan membagi dua cara, kayak gimana caranya menjawab orang-orang yang gak begitu kita kenal sama orang-orang yang kita kenal, kayak teman kita sendiri atau keluarga kita sendiri gitu. And this is of course the American English way of answering how are you. Okay. First, kalau misalnya ada yang tanya how are you and you are trying to answer it and it's a stranger who has asked you, you would say all right. Ya, aku nggak apa-apa gitu. Jadi you could say I'm all right. That's what it means when you say I'm all right. Second, you can also say I'm okay. That is the synonym of I'm alright. You could also say I'm okay, thank you gitu. Jadi mereka nggak akan tanya lebih. They wouldn't ask for more. They will not ask about why you're not okay, because you know that they don't really know you that well, and ya mereka juga stranger ya. Jadi mungkin mereka nggak akan tanya lebih jauh atau lebih lanjut if you say that you're okay. Third, you can say I'm good. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm all right. So, remember, I'm all right, or I'm okay, or I'm good, thank you gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya nih ada yang nanya how are you, jangan pernah lupa untuk menanyakan kembali. When people ask you, how are you? And you say, I'm good, don't forget to say, I'm good, thank you. How about you? Karena nggak sopan banget ya kalau misalnya orang tanya kita kabar kita, tapi kita nggak menanyakan balik. Jadi jangan lupa untuk menanyakan balik kalau misalnya ada yang tanya, gimana kabarmu? Biasanya nih, misalnya orang lagi ngobrol sama temennya, if they ask how are you, they can easily say frustrated. Cuma satu kata doang, frustrated. And you can also say I'm busy, ya kan? You wouldn't say that to a stranger, would you? No. Kalian nggak bakalan bilang aku lagi sibuk ke orang yang nggak kalian kenal. Nah makanya kalian menyesuaikan dengan konteks dan lagi ngobrol ke siapa. Okay, next word, you have stressed out. Kalian biasanya pastilah sering ya kalau misalnya teman kalian tanya, gimana kabarmu? Atau lagi ngapain nih gitu. Pasti kalian bilang, aku lagi stres nih, stres banyak tugas lah, apa, kerjaanku aduh menumpuk dan segala macam. Dalam bahasa Inggris, you can just say I'm stressed out. Stressed out. How are you stressed out? Simple, right? You don't have to say a lot of words to explain yourself. Just a simple expression could make people understand how you're doing. Okay, next we have I've been better. Jadi kalau misalnya ada yang nanya, gimana kabarmu? Or how are you? I've been better. Itu artinya ya bisa lebih baik sih dari keadaanku sekarang. Itu artinya I've been better. Next, we also have great. Simply, how are you? I'm great. Aku bahagia, aku fine, I'm great. Senang gitu loh. Nah, kalau misalnya kalian ingin lebih kelihatan bahagia, you can say I'm excited. Nah, biasanya orang bilang I'm excited itu kalau maksudnya mereka lagi entah itu mau on a holiday to a place. Pokoknya ada sesuatu yang mereka pikirkan saat itu yang bikin mereka answer those questions with words like I'm excited. Jadi itu jauh lebih menyenangkan lagi daripada great. Okay, I think that's all that I have to share for today's lesson. I hope that you find something new for you and that you can use in your conversation using English words and different ways of saying I'm fine, thank you. Udah, itu untuk hari ini. See you later and goodbye.